Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 15th question in exercise 4.4. If A is this matrix and A inverse is also given, find the values of x and y. So first we know that the property A inverse A is going to be equal to the identity matrix. So let's perform. So half into A inverse is 1 minus 8, 5. Minus 1, 6, minus 3, 1, 2y, 1. This matrix multiplied to the matrix 0, 1, 3, 1, 2x, 2, 3, 1 is going to be equal to the identity matrix. So let's compute. So this is half into, now the rows to the column multiplication. So I'm taking the first row and multiplying with this particular column. So this is 1 into 0 is 0, plus minus 8 into plus 1, so it's minus 8, plus 5 plus 2, so it is going to be plus 10. Now for the second entry, it is going to be 1 minus 16 plus 15. For the third entry, it is 3 minus 8x plus 5. Now for the second row, first entry, it is 0 plus 6 minus 6. Now this is going to be minus 1 plus 12 minus 9. For the third entry, this row and this column, it is minus 3 plus 6x minus 3. So the last row with this column, so it is 0 plus 2y plus 2. As well as this, it is 1 plus 4y plus 3. The last entry is 3 plus 2y into x plus 1. Now this value is equal to the identity matrix. So this is going to be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. First let's simplify. So this is half of 10, 8. So this is a 2. This is 16 minus 16 is a 0. So this is 8 minus 8x. As far as this, it is 0. 12 minus 10 is 2. And here it is 6x minus 6. The last entry is 2y plus 2, whereas here it is 4y plus 4. The last entry is 4 plus 2xy. Now you are bringing the 2 inside, so this determinant will actually, matrix will actually become 1, 0, 4 minus 4x, 0, 1, 3x minus 3, and for this will be y plus 1, this is 2y plus 2, this is xy plus 2. Now on comparing, so this is going to be 4 minus 4x. We can compare this value to be equal to 0. So let's compute. 4 minus 4x is equal to 0. So 4x is equal to 4, which means x is equal to 1. So this is the first computation. Now let's do this comparison for the y term here. So y plus 1, I can compare it to 0. So y plus 1 is equal to 0, which means y is equal to minus 1. You can compare and check. So here it is minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, plus 2 is 0. So that gets done. X into y, so 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. Now x into 3 is 3. In this case, because x is 1, 3 minus 3 is 0. So anywhere you check in all these applications, the same value of x and y will find out to be the same relation. So that is also tells you that your answer is correct. In the next video, we will find the solution to the 16th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.